Yeah, they got their nectarines $3.99 a pound. I know it's expensive, but I want some. And we're not going to the fruit person until... We're not going to the fruit stand until... wait a minute, don't he have peaches and nectarines? The fruit man, never mind. I'm gonna get them from the peach guy. How much were they? I think I paid. I know it was less than 20 for everything I got. Never mind. I'll get them from the peach guy. Well, what y'all talking about? What happened? Oh. Ooh.
You got lemons at the house, right?
Yes. My stomach is so nauseous today. I am very, very nauseous. Oh, that was so sweet of her. Philip, we got apple. You haven't really been eating apples like that, huh? Huh?
They got some in yesterday. It's mushy. Remember when I go get some asparagus yesterday? Oh, he changed it out.
Oh. Well, I'll wait till she's done. Do y'all know what we're going to eat tomorrow? Man, this thing still looks good. Oh, my God. Well, them grapes don't. Oh, they should sell this for quick reduced sale. Look at that. That's why I said that needs to go for quick reduced sale. Yeah.
Those watermelons ain't sweet. They don't even look good.
Now that one looks good.
Get that one on the bottom. Look at this.
Pick that one up for me. Yeah, that one there looks pretty decent. Let me see. Hold like. Oh yeah, those look good. I don't know why the other one didn't. What are these? Blackberries, blueberries. So strawberry, blueberries, grapes, and pineapples.
And chocolate chip.
What's that one behind it? Please.
Milk and dew. Grapes, pineapple, strawberry.
That one looks good.
Yep.
Philip, you want one of these trays or no? You want one? No. Okay, they don't want one. We need some grapes though. Come get some grapes. Because you do not have any at home. So just pick you out some grapes. But go through them and check them.
You got to pay $13 for these grapes.
Well, I gotta. He don't have any grapes at home. Where else we gonna get them from?
Yeah,
Go,
$2.99.
go ahead and get you some. Let's see.
I'm not forget it. You buy the grapes.
You want these? Look at them. Just go through them and look at them. And then you feel them, make sure they firm. That's what you touch it for, to make sure they're kind of... You don't want them to be like super solid hard to where your teeth will break, but you want them to have a firmness to them. Oh, these here better. Here you go. See, try these. See how those feel more firm? That's what you want. Now put that pack back. Your stomach hurting? Something you ate. Probably gotta go to the bathroom. Okay.
No, I went to the bathroom.
Oh, well, I'm gonna give you some medicine when we get home. Boy, you gonna be fine. What y'all want to eat for tomorrow? What do you...
I don't know.
Well, I need...
I want spaghetti. Spaghetti is good for you?
We got ground turkey. We gotta get sauce. We gotta get spaghetti sauce.
There you go. Something easy, something quick.
Sound good to me. Okay, come on. Jordan down there looking. That's what you want, Philip? Spaghetti? Alright. They want spaghetti, so that's fine with me. Alright, I gotta get some. Ooh, Lord. They ain't no sale. Excuse me, how you doing? Alright, they got this juice. They got the strawberry lemonade. They got that Tropicana strawberry lemonade. The I'm not sure what you're looking for. And then these are not on, well, they $2. They not on sale anymore. But I don't know. I don't know what kind of juice you want, son. You gotta tell me. I gotta get some tea though. How much?
Those juices are cheaper here than Walmart.
Yeah, I told him going to get whatever juice he gonna get. Yes, the Ollie. Yeah.
Beyonce said people said these are really good. It's only 4 grams of sugar and 2 grams of sugar in this one. To the calories.
Yeah, Alisha say she like them. Get one of each then. We can test them out. Put in one thing of juice.
Why don't you get the Tropicana one? Rather than getting the Simply.
Oh, they 2 for $6.
Philip, why don't you get the Tropicana?
Okay, you buy 2 of these, that's $4.
Yeah, get the Tropicana one. It's cheaper. This where you got this one from? Yeah, the Tropicana one
I
cheaper.
don't like strawberry lemon.
Huh?
I don't like lemon. That's strawberry lemon you got?
That's strawberry lemonade you got. That's strawberry lemonade. They both the same.
Huh?
That's strawberry lemonade. Then they got the Caribbean Sunset, the Pina Colada. They the same.
Pineapple.
Yeah. So which one you want? They got the peach
They got
pineapple
watermelon.
Or you can just get the bigger bottle.
for $5.
Or you can get the
That sounds
small
good to me.
bottle.
And put that one big. And that'll get you set through. This'll last you through tomorrow.
If you take your sunshades off, you can
I'm just kidding.
It'll be gone tomorrow.
Why you don't have your glasses on? I thought you wear your glasses. Baby, I understand. I got one. I'm just gonna get one until I know nobody, your daddy, none of them answer. Garlic bread up there if y'all want some.
Where else you got them?
I gotta get 2 for $12 for these little things. They gotta be out there dang on man. I gotta get my fish. Buy 2, get 2 free. Buy 2, get 2 free.
Now, how much are they?
But how much is it for one? They don't tell you. It say
You save 17.
you saving 17.
So that means if you do that if you buy 2 and that's 17, so that means it's like almost $8.50,
for one.
$8.30 for one.
Yeah. What fella
If you
went?
buy 2 against you, you save $1,700.
Yeah, you paying for them anyway.
That's that. That math on point.
Yeah, your math be on point for real. He went well.
You can go to Fruities and get
I need me a ginger ale, please. Just grab me one.
you can go to Fruities and get that way cheaper.
I just need one ginger ale. My stomach is on 10 today. Ask your brother, did he wanted. Philip, did you want any more of these? Huh? You what?
I smell crawfish.
Oh, I thought you said you spilled something on your fish. I was like, what kind of...
Right there.
They're in the back.
You gotta ask them that.
Did you say yes? You wanted some of these?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you 4. And yes, ma'am. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me, soldier boy. Tell him.
What did I do?
Fofa, you didn't do nothing. Okay, well, what's wrong with them? What's wrong with that one?
I just kind of keep prowling about. So,
Baby, this not $3. I guarantee you this not $3.
so how much?
I can get it cheaper from Frugals. Go put this one back and I'm going to go to Frugals and get you one. When we leave here, I'm going to Frugals and I'll get you one from out of there. The Mountain Dew, he putting it back. Hey, have y'all ever had any of these tunas? I've never had them before. Yes, baby. Whatever you want. It's all right, baby. Whatever you want is fine with me. We might need 3 because 2 sauces might not. Well, no, because we got one at home.
You got a Prego at home?
See, they got. All right. I'm over here by the tuna fish. Ooh, hold on, son. I'm sorry. I ain't mean to cut you off. They got their tuna on sale for $1. So I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get 5. Here, son. Here. Hold that for me, baby.
I'll just
Tuna
get some more.
fish.
I need some more ramen noodles, like just a regular pack, because we ran out.
Huh?
Actually, no. I'll just get some macaroni.
No, you can get ramen noodles.
I'll get Kraft macaroni because I already have ramen noodles at home. Well, at least a
Riri,
spicy pack.
have you ever tried these flavored tunas?
They say they're good. I've never tried it, but everybody says they're good.
I know I see a lot of people buying them, but I never tried them, so I don't know what flavor to kind of get. This is the deli style. 5 for $5. I'm gonna get 5 of these. Y'all, I'm trying. How many is that? 3, 4, 5. I need some crackers. Hold this for me, please. I gotta get some rice. I gotta find the crackers. I want some rice with my fish. So I'm gonna do the, oh man, the Caribbean. But I don't want the Zatarain. They got cilantro. I like cilantro rice. But I want the bag rice that I can just pop in the microwave. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be very jasmine long grain roasted chicken, butter and garlic, creamy chicken, fried rice, cilantro. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Huh? For what? No, y'all need to get 1 thing of spaghetti noodles. We don't have any. I'm coming. I gotta see what's gonna be cheap. Those tuna packages was $1 a pack. So I'm gonna try these for something quick.
Are they flavor or not?
Oh no, that's just the deli, the deli style one. How much you say? What you say? 4 for $5.
They're $2.19. I didn't see those.
It's $2.19 a piece for one. But if they 4 for $5, they'll be $1.25. Just get one. So that should be all we need for right now. Because like I said, I still have to go to the grocery store. Okay, now we just got to find the crackers. And then whatever Jordan had to get. Huh?
Aren't you going to Frugal?
And I'm going where?
Aren't you going to Frugal?
Yeah, but half the time Frugal's going to be having crackers.
The crackers will be decorative.
What's that?
What the cookies is?
What did you have to get?
Yellow.
Oh, well, you go get that.
I don't know where it is.
Well, go with Riri. It's,
I don't know where it is.
it'll be down that way by the baker stuff. And Philip can walk with me to get the crackers. You want to walk with me, Philip? To get crackers? Okay. You're going to go down that way. On aisle 5. Right where it say aisle 5. I got to see if they plates on sale yet. Oh, Lord Jesus. I just want to make it to the house. I want to lay down. Yeah, like I said, I know my body is just not agreeing with anything that I eat. So I'm just going to keep seafood. I knew they was going to be all the way down at the bottom. We got honey at home, fresh honey. Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. Saltines. I know they're going to be high no matter where I go. So these are $4.19. Here we go. Crackers. These are BOGO, but that's kind of high. Have you ever ate these before? They're good. Okay, come on. Excuse us. All right. You need anything from over here? How much are them chips? High. I can get them from Frugal's cheaper, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to Frugal's and get some chips. The only reason I didn't get my crackers from there because half the time Frugal's gonna be having crackers.
I'm tired. I don't know why.
I think because it's the weekend. Well, they got these on. Well, no, that's not really a sale. $3.50. All right, y'all. We about to get out of here. Let me see what they doing. Tell me. No, I want you to guess about how much. Just give me a number. Give me a number. How much you think?
Around 1080.
You think this gonna be about 80?
Around 80.
Okay.
110.
Jordan say 110, Philip say 80. Alright, y'all. Jordan was heading on before they took off the discount. It was 150. Wasn't it 150 something? It was 150 something before they took off. After it was 120.
Yep. I was
Still high. I don't care if they took off 100. It's still high. Groceries still high.
We got sodas at the house. We got Sprite. We got juice. We got tea. Where we gotta go?
No, I said I had to go to Frugal's for something.
Don't cry
Oh, my
about
7-Up.
it. 7-Up.
Yeah, my 7-Up.
You bought a ginger ale.
Babe, I got a 2-liter ginger ale. How long is that gonna last me? I need to get a 7-Up. That's what I'm going in there for, 7-Up. And then you gotta stop at the fruit man, because I gotta get my peaches. Let's go, y'all. We finna go. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to Frugal's. All right, you guys. I am about to put my salmon in my, I guess you could say this is an air fryer. This does a lot of things. It dehydrates, it does it all. I did a review on this a while back and I love it. So all I did was put my aluminum foil down. I put butter on top, but the liquid that y'all see is pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice from my pineapple. And I only did salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and a little Italian seasoning, and I only did a little salt. And then y'all see I put the butter on the top, and I'm about to put this in here, and I'm gonna put it on sear. Well, I don't want to sear. I'm gonna do air fry, and then right before it's done, I'll do the sear crisp, and I'm gonna have it with some corn. And I do have some frozen corn, but I'm making a meal tomorrow using that. So I'm not going back out to the store. So I'm just getting this since I'm going to be the only one eating it. And then I'm going to have it with some cilantro lime rice over a pineapple salsa. So I'm going to show it to you guys once everything is done. And that's going to be my dinner for today. I had took out some a hamburger meat because the kids are going to have burgers. So that's what they're doing. And I guess whoever else in the house wants it, but this is what I'm having. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is my food. Of course, my corn. I got my fish, my salsa, and I like pineapple salsa. So all I did was add fresh pineapples to it. Y'all know I put pineapple on the fish and some butter. And then I got my cilantro rice and I fixed baby plate. So we about to eat.